Welcome back to premium course Steel Warehouse Design BSc. After we complete design and verification, steel column, steel beam, and we will continue to design pad footing in Tekla Structural Designer. Now select on the foundation, click on the pad base column, control the right mouse, rotate view, and use the Windows select. Click assign automatic the pad footing and scroll down to check, and you can use shape, square shape or rectangular. It depends on your condition, pin base or moment base connection. Now let me click in square shape, and auto design we take it all for optimization depth and size. The software will be automatically update. Eccentricity no, and depth we can keep it 400, and concrete class yes 32, and maximum crack width is 0.3. Okay. Now top rebar, we do not apply top rebar. If you want to apply, you can add it. We apply on the bottom rebar and high 500 ampere. The diameter, let's put it 16. Okay, spacing 150. You can change and optimize the diameter of the rebar and the spacing later. Now I shall put it in a clear design, and top cover change it to 50, and the bearing capacity change it to 150. We use the minimum bearing capacity of the soil. Okay, for pad footing, after we import all the parameter, come back to the foundation and click on design base. Okay, seal the design, click on the reviews, click on the status, click on the ratio. The ratio between 0.7 to 90%. Take the mouse over here to check. Yes, 0.74. Yes, 0.75. Warning, why warning? Let's check it. Right click and check member. Sliding. Okay, sliding. Check, assume all the full vertical load is in combination with the horizontal action. Ensure that the combination considers the possibility of reduce actual load. Okay, just alert message, but the condition is okay. Okay, and the depth is 300 millimeter, and the size footing is 1550 multiplied with 550 square footing. Yeah, this is how you can use the auto option unlike design pad footing in Tekla Structural Designer. Now let's continue to the part for the next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for your watching. We will continue to the next part. Thank you.